Hey everyone, it's Christian Lopez here. If you haven't been to my channel before, welcome, and if you have, welcome back. Starting off real quick, I am currently moving in my apartment right now, so I'm just kind of filming in a little back area. My wife is recording right now. I normally have everything hooked up on a tripod, so if you see a little bit of movement, that's because I have some recording, same if I do a hand gesture. But in today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Skar DD12 subwoofer, which is a 4 ohm sub that I'll be running in parallel at 2 ohms. Now, basically, I had my Miata. My Miata got broken into, totaled, and is now gone. So I'm currently driving a 2021 Toyota Corolla, and my cars are either going to sound really good, music-wise, in the inside, or they're going to be fast. My 2021 Corolla is not going to be fast, so it's got to sound good. So that's why I have this here. So this is the box. Came through Amazon. It is heavy. This thing weighs 40 pounds. And let's get into opening it, because basically it's just a quick unboxing video. Coming out in about a week, I'll be having an installation video of this as well as the other goodies that I do have. I'm only going to be running a single 12-inch sub. It's going to be the Skar audio, as well as a Skar amplifier, Skar box, and a Skar wiring kit. But yeah, let's get this all hooked up here. So I'm just going to first start off by opening it up here. Always cut away from yourself, not towards yourself. Move this over. And if I can come a little closer, and we can see this. So I'm actually just going to take this out. It's just the Skar box, and then on top of it is an Amazon box. So let me just pull this out. Oh, geez. There we go. And I'll take that off. Thank you. And really quick, I'm just going to make sure my address isn't on here at all, which it isn't. So that's cool. Yeah, here we go. We have the DDX12 D4 subwoofer. So the D4 stands for 4 ohm sub. The D2 is a 2 ohm sub. So let's get this open. It's packaged pretty well, I'll give it that. By packaged well, I mean it's taped up, and there's not a whole bunch of holes in the box, which is good. There we go. Okay, so there's one box. This is box number 2. Oh my goodness, there's going to be a third box. So let me flip this over, because now there's going to be a total of 3 boxes. Okay. Okay, right here. So the dual 4 ohm, this is a dual coil, not a single coil. So you're going to have your connectors on both sides of the speaker. And I'll be running this in parallel, so positive, negative, negative, positive. And on one side, one of the connectors will connect to the amplifier. So instead of running it, obviously it won't be running at 4 ohms, it'll be running at 2 ohms. You can also run it non-parallel. You can run it in series and take it up to 8 ohms. But that makes no sense, because I'll be, well, if you run it at 8 ohms, you're just going to be, you're not putting the power to it. It's a waste. Right here we have a little Skar audio decal, which I'm not going to throw in my car. I don't want people knowing I have an aftermarket sound system in it, because I don't want people breaking into my car and, well, taking my sound system. But here we have a little user manual, and this is actually the user manual for both the 10, 12, and 15-inch DDX series setup. Kind of goes over the models, the coils, the specifications. I'm going to get real close up real quick and kind of just show that off right there. If anyone wants to pause on it, you can. But yeah, there's that. And on the back is skaraudio.com. We then have this here, which is going to be the top box. Oh my god. And then we have the subwoofer itself, which, okay. Let's get rid of this, which is the third box. And here we go. So, we have the box right here. The sub. Now this sub is pretty big. I have ran sound system setups before in my cars. although they've pretty much just been pretty base model, like Alpine 12-inch subs. Nothing really high performance, anything at all. Double stitched, stiff cone. It's pretty stiff right now because obviously it's brand new. But oh, there's my sweat marks on it. But yeah, that's the Skar Audio 12-inch DDX 4-ohm sub. As you can see, it is a dual voice coil because we have connectors on both sides here. These are going to be large connectors. I'm going to be running, I believe, 4-gauge wire to this. And yeah. And on the bottom here, we have a massive, I believe, 202-ounce magnet. And it's going to be all stainless on the bottom here. But man, this thing is heavy. I think this thing weighs about 35, 36 pounds. And yeah, the RMS is 1,000 watts with a peak of 1,500. So, oh my gosh. There it is right there. Thing looks really nice. There's the back of it. There we have, obviously, Skar Audio covering that case. And yeah, basically I'm going to be running it, like I said, parallel. So I'm going to take the positive to the negative, negative to the positive, connect up those wirings, and then on one side I'll have the amplifier connected up there. And yeah, that's going to be the Skar Audio 12-inch 4-ohm sub. Kind of just hold it up real quick as a little bit of the last thing. But yeah, I mean, it's just a little unboxing, just showing you guys how you get the sub when you order it. I'll be doing another unboxing because I am going to be getting, like I said, I'm getting the RD or the RP 1200 amplifier by Skar, as well as the Skar 12-inch ported box and the, I believe it's the 4-gauge wiring kit for this sub. And it will be going inside my 2021 Toyota Corolla. And hopefully it's going to sound good. Right now I currently have 6.5 coaxial 3-way speakers in both my doors. In the front, I have Kicker DSC 350 3.5-inch, and I'm going to be also adding in 2 6x9s in the back as well. So taking it from a 6-speaker stock system all the way up until a 9-speaker system, basically. So 2 up front, 4 in the doors, 2 in the back, and then 1 sub itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be releasing a new video, like I said, in about a week, of the installation as well as the unboxing of the rest of the stuff. Sorry for the rustling. My cats are now going in all of the boxes, going in and out, so there's that. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great week. Stay safe. And yeah, please make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and share.